Yo, what up YouTube BX? It's your boy Daddy Easy here, iPod jailbreak hacker, otherwise known as only using your tomahawks. Some of you guys may know me as Easy, like I always say, to the black, to the blue on my avatar on my YouTube channel. Yeah, buddy, so I'm back with another video for you guys right now, and just to let you guys know, there is a new update for the Legion Go 2. I found out this through updating my son's Legion Go. He has the Z2. I have the Z2 Extreme versions. Y'all know I had both of them. I gave one to him. So as I updated it, I then found out that there was an update. So let's go into it, see if I actually have the update on mine. So let's actually pop this on real quick and see if it does an update real quick. So I'm going to hit this real fast and see if we got an update. And actually, let me turn off the FPS counter on here. Let's turn that off. And there we are. There's an update. Let's zoom that in. There we go. Let's try to zoom that in a little bit better for you guys to see. Okay, we're going to click yes. Okay, so it's installing the new Legion space on here. Hopefully it fixes problems. I know one of the things actually happened with Game Pass. I'm sorry, not Game Pass. The what is it? Xbox full screen experience. Now I do have a earlier build. I am part of the preview program. So I do have a lot of the new windows and stuff on it. Compared towards what you guys got, but also when you do get the full screen experience, it's not fully enabled. Basically what happened is you can't run the full screen experience on it, but you're able to get the app. You can put it in full screen, but you can't do it on startup, stuff like that. Basically I have a video showing you guys how to actually go inside your reg key and basically just change two things. You go inside the reg, go into the OEM, do all that stuff, and when you normally see it, it's going to say 4. You have to change that 4 to E. I think it's 2E or E2. I forgot what it is. I have to look at my notes. Once you change that, enable it, reset your device, full screen experience is going to pop up, and you're going to get the option. Because basically what happens is when you go towards game bar or games and you go into it, you don't see the option where it says Xbox. When you see the full screen experience on it, but you don't see the option that says Xbox like that. So you have to enable it just by changing 2 words. Well, not even words, 2 letters to get it. So here we go right here. Controller firmware update. So hopefully it fixes the problems with the RGBs. Hopefully. I really don't know why they doing an update for the controllers. The controllers kind of work fine for me. Or it could also be with configurations with the controller curves. I do mess with my controller curves when I'm playing Call of Duty. So when I am using this in handheld mode, I do use the curves on here, and I have set curves. I was making a video for that. I just got sidetracked with a lot of things that I was doing because I do have a lot of unboxings, a lot of products that was sent to me by companies, and I got sidetracked with getting you guys the perfect controller setup for Call of Duty games and Battlefield like that. So I do have the videos. I just got to make it. I did do one. I had to scrap it, and I never got back to doing it because I had to test out each thing. And that video was probably like 45 minutes to an hour long. I had different cutouts on the camera and stuff like that, and everything just kept cutting off because the camera kept getting hot. So yeah, I never got to it, never got a chance to upload it, never redid the video. That's why I needed to correct myself. I did the video, but I had to I need to redo it because I didn't fall through a fit. Like I said, I did different settings like that, and I don't like my videos being 45 to an hour long for something that could be a 3-minute, 4-minute video showing you guys the perfect curves and like that, and just skip in, show you guys in game and games like that. No more like 10 minutes. That's what I like to do. But other than that, yeah, that's why I had to correct myself. I did do the video, just I had to scrap it. It's too long. I have a better video that I want to do for you guys, so I will be getting up to that and doing that a little bit better for you guys. So let me correct myself on that before you guys say, oh, you said this and that. Nah, I'm correcting myself right now. I did do the video. Video is too long. I didn't have the time to redo the video, but I did do it. and I'm going to redo the video, and I'm going to put that video up for you guys. All right. That was a lot. Nah, I hate talking like this in videos because I hate when it does this, and I could just be quiet and just let the thing speed up. But yeah, all right, you can see what's happening right here. Config, let me see, confirm, and let's see what happens. Oh, let me see. Try the full screen experience, power on directly in the Windows. So I wonder, you know what, I never tried this. I updated this, I seen it, and I never went forward with it. Like I said, I had to rush. I updated it, but I never got a chance to. So let me see, go to settings. Okay, so this is what happened before. I did a video showing how to actually get it. So I'm guessing this update is the wave that was going on for Windows, for people to actually be able to get the full screen experience on it. I already have it, so yeah, so let's just back that out. Can we back out? Okay, so let's see, did it fix the problems with the controllers? So let's go here, let's go here. So we got that set up. Cancel effects, off, on, turn that on. So let's back this up. Let's go into Windows. So let me put my hand right here. There we go. Let's go here. Let's click on this real quick. That's on. Let me turn that off. Nope, still have the problem with this. So yeah, it didn't fix the problem with that, but you can't click out of that though. Yeah, alright guys, so yeah, there we go right there. That's just the update what happened. I need to edit this video a little bit more so I can upload this, and I am gonna basically skim through the video and edit this thing really quick and upload it. It's already what, 10 minutes in the video. I don't need to do all that. I'm just gonna speed up the video for you guys really quick, and I'm gonna catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. One. Peace.